So now I'll give you a statement. You need to express this particular English statement in the symbolic form. Okay. So the statement is if either John prefers coffee or Jill prefers tea, then Rita prefers milk. Okay, so this is the given English statement. Okay, so we need to write this statement in the form of symbolic form. Okay, so we have to convert this into symbolic form. Okay, so in order to convert this into symbolic form, we have to consider in statement notation, okay, into symbol. So let me consider symbol P is indicating John prefers coffee, and statement Q can write Jill prefers tea, and statement R can be written as Rita prefers milk. So this can be expressed as P or Q implication R. Okay, this is the corresponding symbolic form. If either John prefers coffee or Jill prefers tea, then Rita prefers milk. Okay, so this is how we can convert the given statement into symbolic form. Okay.